प्रशिक्षण में भी सहयोग करेंगे। कृषि क्षेत्र में नेचुरल फार्मिंग के अपने अनुभव और टेक्नोलॉजी साझा करने में हमें खुशी होगी।
और ग्लोबल साउथ समिट की तीसरी बैठक का समापन हो गया है। विदेश मंत्री डॉक्टर एस जयशंकर ने बताया कि इसका मुख्य विषय था टिकाऊ भविष्य के लिए ग्लोबल साउथ को सशक्त बनाना। उन्होंने कहा कि सम्मेलन को सफल बताते हुए उन्होंने कहा कि इसमें वैश्विक चुनौतियों से संबंधित विषयों पर अहम चर्चा हुई।
I essentially culled out 10 points of importance which were overlapping, which were, I think, broadly reflective of the sentiment of the discussions. And this is at the leaders level. And these 10 points, one, of course, was that the problems which they all raised, which was the core of the discussion, were today food, health, and energy security issues. The challenges faced on resources and accessing resources, the problem of realizing the demographic dividend, concerns about employment and about economic inequality. There was a very strong focus on their climate concerns. So almost every leader spoke about the extreme weather. Many referred to the emissions challenge, growing pollution. A few of them brought up specifically water issues, biodiversity, and the small island developing states were particularly articulate about their predicament.
और विदेश मंत्री डॉक्टर एस जयशंकर ने कहा कि बांग्लादेश के अंतरिम सरकार के मुख्य सलाहकार मोहम्मद यूनुस ने सम्मेलन में बांग्लादेश में मौजूदा चुनौतियों का जिक्र किया।
We've just concluded the third Voice of the Global South Summit. It began with a leaders session in the morning and it's just concluded with a session of the foreign ministers. All in all, 123 countries took part in the summit, including India. At the level of head of state, head of government, there were 21 countries. There were 118 ministers, not counting the foreign ministers, and there were 34 foreign ministers. There were also 5 multilateral development banks. As I said, we had an inaugural session, and then there were 10 ministerial sessions, 2 foreign ministers, a health, youth, finance, trade, IT, energy, education, and environment. The main theme of the third Voice of Global South Summit was Empowered Global South for a Sustainable Future.
और वहीं शिक्षा मंत्री धर्मेंद्र प्रधान ने भी थर्ड वॉइस ऑफ ग्लोबल साउथ समिट के दौरान ग्लोबल साउथ के शिक्षा मंत्रियों के सत्र को संबोधित किया। सत्र के दौरान उन्होंने कहा कि शिक्षा के माध्यम से सतत विकास लक्ष्यों को प्राप्त किया जा सकता है। उन्होंने कहा कि पीएम मोदी के नेतृत्व में भारत ने राष्ट्रीय शिक्षा नीति